Good morning, everyone. I am Abul Mia today, and I am a Uber driver. Hello, madam. Where would you like to go?
I would like to go to Shafins. Do you know where it is?
Yes, this is at Mirpur.
Okay.
Certainly, I do. This is a popular English language center in Bangladesh.
Yes. Okay.
I will take you there right away. Put your bags into the trunk.
I don't have any bag. I just have purse with me.
Oh, sure. Please, fasten the seatbelt.
Okay. Okay, let's go.
Where would you like to stop, ma'am?
It's okay around here. How much is it?
That will be 475.
475.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, here is 500 taka.
I don't have the change, ma'am.
Okay, keep the change.
Thank you very much indeed.
Welcome.
Don't forget your box, ma'am.
I told you I don't have bag.
I'm sorry about it.
Okay.
Same to
Bye.
you. Bye.